If you've been feeling wired, tired, or just done, your body's not broken. It's yin depleted. Let's fix that with 3 simple practices to calm your nervous system and replenish your energy. Welcome back to the Longevity Path with Dr. Ava, where ancient wisdom meets modern wellness, and where today we're going to slow things way down. These yin practices can help you sleep deeper, feel calmer, and reset your inner rhythm this winter. By now, you're familiar with the warm belly breath. Place your hands or a warm compress over your lower abdomen, your lower belly. Inhale through your nose for 4 and exhale for 6. With each exhale, imagine your belly melting into the earth. And repeat this 2 to 3 times before bed. We're just doing warm belly breathing. This practice activates your parasympathetic nervous system, which is your calm mode. This is also a great time for you to integrate, prayers, meditation, or just reflection. Okay, so that's a good time to integrate that, whatever your thing is. Now, gentle yin movement can also be very helpful in activating calm mode. Try legs up the wall for 10 minutes in the evening. This can calm the heart, drain tension, and signal to your body that it's safe to rest. And this is optional, but you can always add a warm compress, of course, or an infrared pad to the lower belly. And with legs up the wall, doing it on your feet as well can be very helpful for circulation and grounding and that kidney support thing. Here's an evening ritual for kidney recharge. You want to turn your lights low 1 hour before bed. Drink warm herbal teas like chamomile or goji berry. Warm compress over the low back for 15 minutes. And then you can journal 1 line of gratitude for that heart kidney connection. Let this week be your reminder that rest is sacred. Every slow breath, every warm pause. This is a step toward true longevity. Until next time, stay rooted, radiant, and beautifully balanced.